Hello everyone, welcome to Edge Time. It is a beautiful spring day here in northern Kentucky, so I have the window open, letting a little bit of light come in. And here I have a brand new package from BladeHQ. This is the Bestech Glok. I do know which color and configuration this is. I just wanted to go ahead and open it up and show you all what to expect if you order a Bestech Glok straight out of the box. So let's get into it. This is a CRKT M16 14M that I got from a peddler's mall. I believe it was a Tanto at the beginning of its life, but over the course of time, it has become modified, as you can see. It was pretty much in this exact condition when I got it. Well, it still had some of the serrations left, so I had to grind those off. But yeah, it's just a super solid knife. I've had to do some modifications to it. Had to put a ball bearing in one side to try to center it. But yeah, cool knife. It's obviously seen a lot of use. I'd be super interested to know the story behind it, but I doubt I ever will, but it'd still be cool to hear. So let's go ahead and get this thing open. Alright, so here we go. A Bestech box. I like that. I really like Bestech's box design. That's kind of neat. Alright, let's get this thing opened up. Ooh, that's pretty. Got our little Bestech warranty card. Warranty card or just, yeah, instructions. I don't think there's anything else in there. Nope. Alright, let's check this thing out. Alright, right off the bat, super grippy G10. Let's just go ahead and get it opened up. Oh yeah. Very nice, very smooth. Really like the design of this one. It's just a very aggressive, assertive design. It's got that nice little swedge there. This is designed by Keanu. Keanu is the guy's first name. I do not remember his last name at the moment, but it is not Keanu Reeves. It is a different Keanu. Very nice drop shot action. I saw in, I believe it was, yes, it was Metal Complex's video that he said the detent was not very strong and that it could open in your pocket. It's really not that bad. I mean, it is definitely not as strong as other knives that I have, but it's not like, it's not super loose. It looked kind of loose in his video, but it's not too bad. But yeah, I can definitely see where he would say that the detent is a little weak, but it's not, for me, it's not a cause for concern. So yeah, so there it is. This is in 14C 28N steel. Just a really outlandish design with this nice blue anodized thumb stud. Super grippy black G10. And one thing that I noticed about it was that the pocket clip sits like way over to the side here. So we'll see how that carries. I think it'll be fine. It might be a little bit interesting. And this is on ball bearings, and it is on it is on brass ball bearings. Not that the actual bearing balls themselves are brass, but that the cage is brass, which is nice. Know that CJRB uses nylon or Teflon cages for their bearings, and it's not bad. The knives are still perfectly smooth. It's just I know that brass will probably hold up for a little bit longer. So yeah, super smooth. It has a unique action. I can't quite describe how it feels. It doesn't feel like other super smooth ball bearing button locks that I've handled. It has, very difficult to describe. You just have to feel it to know what I'm talking about. But it's just a different sort of experience. Buttery smooth, no issues with deployment. Yeah, razor sharp straight out of the box. We'll go ahead and grab a sheet of paper and see just how sharp it is. Here we go. Oh yeah, that's very, very, very sharp. So sweet. So there it is. This is a steel engine check sheet, by the way. Steel outdoor power tools. So yeah, the Bestech Glok. That is GLOK, by the way, and that'll be in the title and description. But yeah, just a cool budget sort of knife. This one is around $68 right now on BladeHQ, but I got it for $40 because they were having a sale. This was the only color on sale, and I do like the color. It's just I don't have very many knives with that nice anodized blue look. So yeah, pretty cool little knife. I will of course be doing a full review and a disassembly of this knife, and then I have a bunch of other knives that I need to review as well. So yeah, with that, I need to go get ready for some other things throughout the day, but hope you all enjoyed this as much as I did. I know I already really like this little knife. So with that, you can be looking for some other videos to be coming out, not this weekend, but next Monday. I usually publish on Monday mornings, so should be some cool stuff coming in on Monday, as well as some other stuff throughout the week. So with that, I will see you all in the next one. Have a good day.